Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to Refab. Sorry about it taking me so long to get this video out. My camera died there, so this video is more or less just a catch up and a test drive. There are no brakes on it this time, and I accidentally ran into my welding cart. I hit the motor leads right directly to the battery. The steering will go all the way to the end hard, but going through the driver, it doesn't have enough oomph to go more than halfway, so this setup's probably not going to work. But since I got it together like this, it'd be foolish not to at least try it anyway. For the steering, I'm going to try something a little different here. I got a Chinese go-kart rack and pinion, an EMA 23 motor with a 20-to-1 reduction, and a 12 to 24 power converter to power the controller. Yeah, never got this. I played the motor a little bit, and the output RPMs are going to be 20 revolutions per minute, which might be too slow. In hindsight, I should have got a servo motor instead of a stepper motor. I ordered some split collars to make a mounting bracket for the rack and pinion, but they are in back order. So this is as far as I can go for now. Subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.